Hey, how are you doing? Today I want to talk about my morning routine. In my previous newsletter, I talked about willpower and how we only have a limited amount of it a day. And as we make decisions and execute tasks, our willpower becomes less and less towards evening. That means we want to save as much willpower as possible in the morning so we can still be productive later in the day. This is why morning routine is important. Having a morning routine means fewer decisions you have to make, which means you get to save your willpower in the morning so you can use it to keep your concentration throughout the day. Let's now dive into my morning routine. But to be honest, I have only two things I do every morning, which are brain dumping and scheduling. I talked about my journaling exercise and brain dumping in my previous videos, so I'm not going to talk about it in detail. But it's just asking yourself what's on your mind and write anything that comes up in your mind, no matter how silly, stupid it may sound. It doesn't matter if what you wrote doesn't make any sense, just write everything down. Honestly, this is the best way to declutter your mind and maintain your focus throughout the day. It's like cleaning up your mind, just like you clean up your room. After I've done brain dumping, what I do is scheduling. For that, I use an app called Sorted. I've been using this app for a few weeks and I'm in love with it. What's amazing about this app is that it makes time blocking so easy to do. In case you don't know about time blocking, it's a time management technique where you plan out every moment of your day in advance and assign each task to specific time blocks. This is such a powerful productivity technique. Cal Newport, the author of Deep Work and an advocate of time blocking, said a 40-hour time-blocked workweek produces the same amount of output as a 60-plus hour workweek pursued without structure. And that's a huge difference. I think he uses a pen and paper for time blocking, but many people do it with Google Calendar. But the problem with time blocking with Google Calendar is that it takes a long time to assign your task to a specific time block, and I thought it was so inefficient. But Sorted makes this process effortless. What I do first is just write down every task I want to do today with an estimated duration for each task. Then I hit auto schedule, and it magically does time blocking for you. The next thing I do is to make adjustments. For example, I want to do the most important tasks first thing in the morning because that's when I have the most willpower. So I just drag the tasks like writing and editing videos at the beginning of the day. Then I hit auto schedule again and now it looks perfect. After that, I just start executing tasks according to the schedule. I think many people use traditional to-do list apps like Todoist and Things3, but this app and the auto-scheduling function helps me become so much more productive than those to-do apps. Anyways, that's my morning routine. I hope you found some useful tips you could integrate into your morning routine, but if you have any questions, please send me a DM on Twitter. Thank you so much for watching, bye!